What's up, GT gang? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Mojo GT, and today's a very exciting day for the build. I ordered this drive shaft about 3.5 months ago from the Driveshaft Shop online. If you're familiar with racing or anything in the loop nowadays, you will know that this company is very reputable and they make a fantastic product. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the unboxing of this. This is gonna be one of my shortest videos I've ever made, but we're gonna open it up, give you my thoughts, first reaction, and I'm very excited about this because to make a car faster than a Hellcat, you got to get it to move, and you can't do that without the drive shaft. So let's go ahead and get it open, and I'm really excited about this, so let's get it. So this is the first thing we get here. This is the coupling that goes from the front half of the drive shaft to the God, I can't think, the transmission yoke. Let's get it. Holy crap. This thing is massive. Right off the bat, dude, this thing is insane. This is 4-inch Milo. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's a freak. Okay, back to the scheduled program. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. Okay, so here it is. Like I said, here is the coupling for the front half. Not sure what's in here. Obviously it says hardware, but dude, this is nasty. So there's two CV joints. They're constant velocity joints, the front and the rear. And I'll just go ahead and open this up really quick. I'm gonna try to conserve, well, the box, but we'll see what Milo's doing to that. I don't know if we're gonna be able to keep that. Milo, what are you doing? What the? Milo, how do you feel about this? How do you feel about this? Tell me how that box tastes. Go. Man, I don't even know. This isn't even my YouTube channel anymore. We're gonna have to get this. I can't even do it with this dog anymore. This is so funny. All right, anyway, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna slice open off the tape, and then we're gonna look at all the hardware, see how everything looks, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion. So first thing I'm gonna say is this thing is pretty dang light. It's absolutely massive. I mean, I have pretty decent sized hands, guys, and I can't even wrap around half of this. And see, there's washers riveted on here for balancing, and these CV joints feel absolutely incredible. Man, this is nasty. This thing is crazy. This thing is wild. What do I even do with this thing? It's taller than me. The welds look good. That's pretty incredible, guys. I'm extremely excited for this. This is like a huge piece of the puzzle. This will be the yoke side for the transmission. Holy crap. That is insane. Dude, this is sick. So, overall, let's set this bad boy down. Okay, so CV joint feels, obviously, it's brand new, it's incredible. The weld looks good. It's definitely a human weld, I can tell you that. It's inconsistent, but it looks like it's good penetration all the way around. There's, instead of washers welded on, they're riveted on. So that way, if you know you need to remove the washer, move it, or whatever the case may be. I know they balanced it, but I'm just saying it makes it a little bit easier so you don't have to grind your drive shaft. The yoke is great. It's aluminum and it's massive. This is 4-inch aluminum. It's huge. Same thing with the other side. Washer that's riveted on for balancing. The weld actually looks better on this side, but this will be the Hellcat side. I don't know. This should just bolt right up to the Hellcat diff. I'm not sure though. Yeah, guys. So overall results, I'm absolutely stoked about this. It's definitely worth the wait. I paid $1,070 for this shipped to my door. So it's a hefty bill, but this is the best way to get your power to the ground, guys. It's one piece. There's no carrier bearing. There's no two-piece drive shaft. This is transmission, differential, wheels. It's about as solid as it gets in terms of drive shaft. So thank you guys for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or anything I didn't even cover, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. So that being said, see you next time, and hopefully next time you guys see this, it's going in the car. So I'm super excited. See you next time. Peace.